Okay, let's talk about promotion sets and when to use them. So we're on the dashboard, we're going to go over to the store, and we're going to head into promotions and coupons. So I'm going to click on promotions here. And if you have a customer who is eligible for more than one promotion or eligible for more than one coupon, normally only the highest benefit is going to apply in either of these. So for instance, in promotions, if you have a customer who is eligible for both the Summer 11 promotion as well as the 20% off 7 or more bottles discount, then only the one that will give them the highest discount is going to apply to that order. Likewise, in coupons, if they enter their code for the summer sale and also enter their code for flat rate shipping, they are eligible for both, but only the one with the highest benefit is going to apply. So what if you have a situation where you want both to apply? You want to offer up really big discounts for a particular segment of customers or for a period of time. Well, that's when promotion sets come into play. So let's go to promotion sets. We'll click add promotion set. Let's title this one Summer of Love. Add promotion set. And down here we define which promotions and or coupons can be combined in the same order. So for promotions, I'm going to say, yes, I want the 20% 7 or more bottles, and I want the Summer 11 promotion as well to apply. And then down here, just for illustration purposes, we're going to go ahead and add some coupons here as well. We're going to do flat rate shipping as well as our summer sale sizzle. So all 4 of these I want to apply in the same order if the customer who's purchasing is eligible for all 4. Let's save that promotion set. And here we have a summary of the active promotions that are in this set as well as the active coupons that are in this set. I'm going to go ahead and go to the front end so we can see what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put some items in my cart. I'll go ahead and put 12 of the shards, which will put me over that 7 bottle threshold for that first promotion. And already in the cart, we see that both Summer 11 and the 20% are applying, which is great. Let's proceed to checkout. But I also have coupon codes, don't I? So I'm going to enter my first coupon code, which is FLAT for my flat rate $15 shipping. There it is. And I'm also going to put in my summer sizzle. And there we are. Wow, this person is getting a huge discount, aren't they? So we see down here all of these are applying, and then when we go to place the order, everything is complete. And let's go look at it over here. Look at the promotions tab. We see these 2 promotions and these 2 coupons applied to this order. So in those cases, when you want more than one promotion and or more than one coupon applying, you can use promotion sets and that will do the trick.